Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the best promo codes for Polene. So first, visit Worth the Penny and then search for Polene, of course. Once you're here, just click the show code button here. Click on one and then it will show you the code, and then copy it and paste it to Polene's discount code field. And let's click on one. Copy that one into Polene. So make sure to try all of these codes listed on their website, because there's a chance that these or one of these codes will work. And then next is go to Orange Offer. Once you're on the Polene site of the Orange Offer website, just click on Get Code and you can scroll down and just copy these codes here. You can copy this code also. It will show you after a few seconds, and basically that's it.